Why is my motorcycle making a strange noise? Hey there, I'm Dennis Storm, your two-wheeled detective, here to crack the case of your noisy motorcycle. Strange noises usually mean something needs attention. If it's coming from the engine, it could indicate low oil levels, valve issues, or a loose timing chain. A squeaking noise might mean worn brake pads or a dry chain that needs lubrication. Don't ignore these sounds. They're your motorcycle's way of crying for help. Want to learn more? Visit racex.com and sign up for the motorcycle mechanics course, or drop your questions in the comments below.